The talk on the street: oil prices surged towards $98 per barrel after strikes hit facilities linked to South Pass gas field, keeping energy markets on edge. Overnight, Wall Street traded with a negative bias as US producer inflation spiked 0.7%, intensifying fears of stagflation in the US. Also, the Fed stayed on pause, but with a mildly hawkish tilt, keeping markets sensitive to oil and inflation trends. The FOMC flagged uncertainty from the Iran conflict, alongside slightly higher growth and inflation projections for 2026, while continuing to signal one rate cut in 2026 and another in 2027. Our call of the day: the Nifty 50 has rallied for 3 straight sessions, but bulls can't afford complacency. Stay nimble. With the Iran conflict still simmering, oil remains the biggest risk. A move above $100 per barrel could rattle sentiment quickly. Long story short, volatility is the name of the game. If crude continues to spike, Nifty bulls may need to lighten positions and reassess risk. Market trends: the global cues are negative. In yesterday's bullish session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 2714 crores, while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 30 to 53 crores. Sentiments are likely to be precarious for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals indicate massive consolidation in a volatile trading environment. FANO March month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 24,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index, has slipped towards 18.72 levels. At last check, USD INR, March, was seen hovering near 92.80 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th March, is at 1.18 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th February, is at 0.90. Nifty outlook: risk appetite among Nifty bulls is likely to remain fragile. With crude prices spiking and geopolitical tensions simmering, caution shall be the buzzword at Dalal Street for the bulls camp. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23778. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 23,150 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,857 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,400 and 23850. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 76704. Biggest support for Sensex is placed only at 75,700 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 77,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 75,500 to 77,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 55326. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 54,100 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 56,500 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 53,700 and 55700. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. Market mood: bargain hunting and value buying dominated the previous session, with the Nifty 50 and BSE Sensex ending firmly in the green. Over the past 3 sessions, the Sensex and Nifty have rallied 2.87% and 2.71%, signaling improving near-term sentiment. However, this Thursday morning, bears are striking back, tracking weak global cues. Stocks in spotlight: 1. Axis Bank, plus 2.04%, 1,253 rupees. Axis Bank has said the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has approved its proposal to infuse capital into its wholly owned subsidiary Axis Finance. 2. SBI, plus 0.48%, 1,070 rupees. State Bank of India, SBI, the country's largest lender, raised 6,051 crore rupees at a coupon rate of 7.05% through its second Basel III compliant Tier 2 bond issuance for the current financial year, FY26. 3. Godrej Properties, plus 3.71%, 1,643 rupees. Mumbai-based real estate developer Godrej Properties Limited, GPL, has acquired a 20-acre land parcel in Whitefield, East Bangalore, where it plans to develop a premium residential project with an estimated revenue potential of around 1,350 crore rupees, strengthening its presence in India's technology hub. 4. In yesterday's trade, the Nifty 50 was lifted by strong gains in Jio Financial Services, which surged 4.59%. Other top gainers included Eternal Limited, plus 3.46%. Tech Mahindra, plus 3.06%. HCL Technologies, plus 2.79%. Infosys, plus 2.74%. IT stocks rallied after a report by CLSA which dismissed concerns around AI disruption. Interestingly, the report highlighted no evidence that tools from Anthropic and OpenAI would impact client renewals for Indian IT firms, triggering buying interest across the sector.